Hello，大家好，跟大家分享一个好消息，Meiko 邀请了一位来自荷兰的 VBA 高手来跟大家分享 VBA 的相关知识。他的名字呢叫做 Ming，他懂得很多程式语言，例如 C、C++、VBA、Java、JavaScript、PHP 等等。Ming 是一位程式设计的专家，那 AutoVBA 这套工具呢，就是 Ming 所开发出来的。有用过的同学呢，应该都可以知道 Ming 的功力呢非常的深厚。那 Meiko 呢，希望可以借由 Ming 的分享，让有兴趣学习 VBA 的同学呢，可以跟着 Ming 的脚步，慢慢的学习。那程式设计呢，对Ming来说是轻而易举的事情哦，但是呢，做影片对Ming来说呢，就稍微吃力了一些，所以希望大家呢，对于影片的品质呢，就不要太挑剔啦。相信未来Ming的影片呢，一定可以越做越专业的。好，那接下来的时间呢，就交给Ming。
I'll give you a brief introduction to VBA and tell you about the advantages of VBA with examples. To use the VBA, you should need to open the VBA editor. After installing the Office, Tab Developer is hidden by default. To show up it, please do the following. And then, click the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic in the code group. Or you can click an easy shortcut key Alt F11. VBA is the acronym for Visual Basic for Applications. It is an integration of the Microsoft's event-driven programming language Visual Basic with Microsoft Office applications such as Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and more. By running Visual Basic IDE within the Microsoft Office applications, we can build customized solutions and programs to enhance the capabilities of those applications. Among the Visual Basic for applications, Microsoft Excel VBA is the most popular. Let's see the advantages of VBA. Using VBA, you can build your customized functions to complement the built-in formulas and functions of Microsoft Excel. As a simple example, consider the problem of calculating the area of a triangle knowing the lengths of its 3 sides. We can use Heron's formula to calculate it. According to Heron's formula, we can write an Excel formula like this. In this case, the Excel formula is so complex. Using VBA, we can do it simply. Add a code module and write a function area tree. Then, we can easily calculate the area using area tree. Also, using VBA, you can automate your work and save your time. For example, let's consider you have a task that requires you to enter a list of files in a folder into Excel. We can do it by typing the file name or copy and paste. But if the number of files is thousands or more, it will take a long time. If you use the following VBA code, you can do it at a second. Beside this, the scope of what can be done with VBA is very wide and various. Using VBA will make your work in Excel more convenient and easier. Here is an Excel VBA add-ins AutoVBA. It provides many built-in functions and code segments and provides several additional features. You can download and use it from the following website. If you have any problems using it, please use the following link. To learn Excel and VBA, please use the following links.